Hey everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and today we're going to do some cash stuffing. So this is our cash stuffing from our May Paycheck 2 closeout. And so what we have here is we have $40 left over. We have 20 that's going to go towards gardening, and then we have 20 that needs to get broken up into a lot of different spots. So we're gonna see if maybe we can hopefully get some change. I think everything is starting off with like, I think some might get $4. Let's go and look. We have it all written out right here. Yeah, we have some that are getting $4. I don't even know if I have my cushion, my garden envelope. Let me pull my garden envelope and put that away, and that'll make everything easier for me to follow. So let me put that away. And then, there we go. So I don't have to worry about that anymore. And then let me grab, let's see if we have anything that has ones in it. Even just a couple. Ooh, okay, we've got some ones here. But I don't want to stop with that because that's just a couple, like I was saying. I feel like I have some that might have a lot of ones. I feel like that might be a thing. I might be lying. So, oh, and I don't even need this one because I'm not going to use it. Not planner. And then this is new car, and new car's not getting anything either. Okay, so let's see what we can work with then. So we have this one that's got 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is emergency savings. Okay, let's see if we can, I know I have some that has some 5s, so let's get change for the 20. Not this one. I want this one. Yes. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get change for 20. Perfect. And then we're gonna break that one down. Do I have everybody out here? We need, oh, I was like, I'm missing something though. Oops. That goes here. Yeah, okay. Perfect, okay. All right, what does this have? Everybody's just like so close but so far away. And then I know I've been writing out, I think I've just been writing them out like right here, how much people have left. I don't have one for, I think this is the one that I need to be putting in for May. Yeah. So I need to make a May closeout. Okay. Alright, May closeout. Okay. And so let's get started. So we're starting with debt, and house and credit both get 4, so they get 8 total, which we don't have change for, so we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait. I think though I can get some money from student loans. So student loans I think have some ones, and student loans is getting 4, so we're gonna trade for that. So that gave us a whole $1, y'all. So now we've got that, and student loans has 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 103. So great. Student loans with 103. Student loans equals 103. And let me go back to April and make sure. That's a lot of student loans. I wonder if, oh, right, because I put like $20 in there all the time. Okay. Which I had not written down that I put that money in there. So that's why it's all wild looking. Okay. All right, who's next? We still don't have enough for debt, so let's do, who has dollars? Now see, these are supposed to get like $2, $1. I still don't have $2. No one even gets like $3. Oh, I definitely just am gonna have to suck it up and find something that actually has change and get myself some change. At least enough for 1.5. If I can get enough for 1.5, I'll be okay. So let's go in here and let's see what we've got. I'm trying to think of who would have ones. I feel like I put a lot of ones. I always do this. I feel like I put a lot of ones in like one folder and I never remember where that one is. But I know one of these is just like piping full of ones. It's not any of those. It's definitely not garden. I don't think it's HOA, but it might be. No, it's not HOA. Don't think it's taxes. Don't think it's any of those. Oh, now I feel confused because I don't know who else would even have ones in there. It's not tech. It shouldn't be phone. Why would phone have a lot of ones? Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna have to go to another source. One moment, please. Okay, let's see. I think I have some ones in one of these. These are from, ooh, this feels thick, but I don't think it has ones. I think it has, yeah, I was gonna say it's just, it has other things. I don't think it's planning. And this one, it's not. Definitely, no, it's not books. I don't think it's taxes. Operating costs might actually have a bunch of ones. Yes, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we might be able to make this work now. I hope so. Which now I'm like, I don't know what I'm gonna do for my other one because I'm still like, where are all the ones at? But what I'll do is I'll go ahead and probably get a little bit of change or do something and try to figure out how to make that work. Okay, now we're working. Okay, let's do some of these. Which I think I'm gonna end up still needing to get like change, which is annoying. Wonder if, I don't think debt has any ones. It does not. Okay, so we haven't done house emergencies. House emergencies is supposed to get 2. So emergency savings is supposed to get, just emergency savings. Oh, it's supposed to get 2. Okay, I think I have something here. Okay, so it's supposed to get 2. 1, 2, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Trade for 5. Yes. Okay. Finally. Okay. So this is emergency savings. So we have done cushion. We have done garden. We have done student loans. We have done emergency savings. And it has a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 20, 40, 60, 80, 25, 91. Emergency savings. 91. Okay. I don't know why, but in my head I'm like, I don't know if that's necessarily enough. 5, 6, Okay, so that's the 8 that I need for that. And then I should have what left over? 1, 2. Yeah, I feel like that's not, oh wait, no. Okay, so $1, $2, $2. Okay, good. All right. Yay, okay, now we can just get rid of everything else. Let's go ahead and do our debt because I've been like waiting to get rid of that one. Give this long list. 0, 6, that's 0, 1 that we're gonna go ahead and do. And we're gonna do credit debt equals, all right, so I have 49 plus 4 is gonna be 53, and house have 51 plus 4, so 55. Okay. And so together they should have 108. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And they are all good to go. All right, and then we have, finally, okay. So check on those. Check. All right, so now we have car savings. Get the $1, whole $1, yay. Student debt. Or house / credit. And then car. Oh, I didn't count it yet. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 10, 15, 16. 1, 16. And then cars done. Let's do house next. Okay, so house gets 2. So house is at 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72. Okay. And then we have, so house is done. $2 for security savings. Here we go. 1, 2. Alrighty. And then our $1 left over for business. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. 84 for security savings. Business $1. Okay, that's it. Yay! Okay, I got it done. I made it work. That's exciting. We're making some good headway on these. So I have more money to put in there in just a minute, but that's it for this one. We are closed out for all of May and ready to go move on. So let's get some cash stuffing for June started. I'll see you in our next video. Have a good one. Bye.